Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you January's Fruit for Thought. That's lighting isn't that great, but we'll work around it. So I do have something I want to discuss with you guys. I wanted to ask you guys if this is something you would be interested in seeing. John and I are going to renew our wedding vows in Vegas on our 25th anniversary, which is in August of 2021. And so I have to start planning this summer when we go to Vegas. We have to pick a venue and put a deposit down on that. Go to a couple of cake shops, maybe do a couple of cake tastings, and figure out what shop I want to go with, and then probably put a deposit down on the cake. It's not going to be a huge shindig or whatever. It's just going to be John and myself and our kids, maybe our mothers. Not 100% sure on that yet, but definitely just John, myself, and the kids. And but basically what it is when we actually got married, I didn't get the wedding of my dreams, and so I thought that it would be super cool to renew our vows on our 25th anniversary, get the dress I wanted, get the cake I wanted, blah 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 blah. And I was just wondering if you guys would be interested in watching me vlog the experience of, dress shopping, cake shopping, venue shopping, and then, when it actually rolls around to it, the ceremony and all of that stuff. So just let me know down below if that's something you think you would be interested in, and I'll make a decision. Okay, so let's get into Fruit for Thought. I don't know how much this box costs. It'll be on the screen. Also, giveaway going on. Don't forget about that. That is linked down below. It's kind of like just a big giveaway. There are 8 winners, and that video down below will give you all the information you need to know. Let's get into Fruit for Thought. So this is January's. It feels super, super light this month. Usually that's not a thing. So I open it up, and this is what I see. And the paper is just like a nice pink salmon color. January theme is mimosas. Okay, interesting. So the first thing I am pulling out is a gift bag that is in the shape for to stick a little drink you drink in there. And I don't want to say the A word because I don't know if that's going to get me demonetized. I don't know. The rules are all whack. But they have different drink concoctions on here, so that's kind of cute. The next thing I am pulling out, does the card say? I don't remember. Oh, so it kind of says, it doesn't give prices. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is Washer Shore. It's by Washer Shore, and it is a necklace. It's cute. It's not really my thing, but I'm sure somebody would love to get that. The next thing I am pulling out is this. What is it? It says Cosmo, and I can't read that because it's in cursive. Not that I can't read cursive, it's so tiny and compact. I can read cursive, I promise. But it says something toiletry. Do not eat or drink, for adult use only. What is it? To use. Pour onto sponge and massage into entire body. Okay, so it's soap. It's liquid soap. And it's in a martini glass, or a Manhattan glass. This sort of a glass. So there is that. That's interesting. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. The next thing I am pulling out, I've been addicted to Jelly Bellies lately, so that's cool. It is Jelly Bellies that are champagne flavor. I'll be digging into those tonight. Oh my goodness. This box is super light. Where is everything? I think I might have to go look at spoilers or something because this box is empty, basically. So this is Wicked Good Orange Vanilla Mimosa. And I'm gonna say that it's probably a body spray. Okay, so it's a perfume mist. So it is a body spray, an orange vanilla mimosa. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to email customer service because I can't hold everything. So these 3 things, this is probably full sized. I'm not sure. I mean, these are I would consider these travel size. And then we got this necklace and a gift bag that I'll never use. I don't know. I feel like this is a super light box. There's generally way more stuff than just 4 items. I'm really confused. I will contact customer service and I will pin it in a comment down below on what their response is, because this is just strange. Usually this is one of my favorite boxes to unbox, and this is just a little strange. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and have a great day. Bye.